Blessings are pouring in for Lovie Poe and her husband, film producer Monty Blanco. Abante's June Lalin got to talk with the couple in California about their blossoming careers and new bundle of joy. Narito ang kanyang agenda report.
Salamat Monique, at nandito nga tayo ngayon sa Beverly Hills, California, kung saan kinover natin ang special screening ng Hollywood movie ni Lovie Poe, ang Batman. Sa ating panayam kay Lovie, ibinahagi niya kung gaano siya ka-excited sa pelikula.
I'm super excited and I'm so happy that I'm here. I was looking down the hood and I think this was this. But then I'm so happy we're so excited to watch the movie.
Napag-usapan din namin ni Lovie ang tungkol sa kanyang pagbubuntis. 9 na buwan na nga ang dinadala ng aktres sa kanyang sinapupunan at malapit na siyang manganak. Of course, Lovie, isa pang exciting news kasi finally nilabas niyo na ang tungkol sa pregnancy mo. Ayan.
Yes, I know it's actually also so that napakahirap siyang because it's such a personal journey for me at that point. But then you know what? It's something that I'm so happy to share. Be proud.
Sabi nga, swerte ang mga buntis dahil nominated ngayon si Lovie bilang Best Actress sa urian para sa pelikulang Guilty Pleasure.
I'm just so blessed kasi syempre I've worked with amazing actors here and of course my director and of course Regal Films. Yes. And you know I've always been giving me great projects, so I'm just so I'm so honored and thank you talaga sa allowance at
At syempre pa, exclusive din natin nakapanayam ang Mr. ni Lovie na si Monty Blanco na excited na rin na maging tatay.
We're really excited, obviously a bit nervous being first-time parents, but you know, it's a great moment in life and yeah, we're looking forward to that, yeah.
Yeah, so of course you had a baby shower already, but still the gender of the baby is still a surprise, Lovie said, yeah.
Okay, well I guess I can't share that.
Yeah, but obviously because of the pink color.
Well, there was a little bit of blue on that shirt.
Okay, so we're not really sure. Mula dito sa Beverly Hills, California, ito si June Lalin ng Abante, nagugulat para sa agenda.